Hey, so listen, the fastest way to make money online is to use what is called the McDonald's method. And I'm not talking about going to McDonald's and getting a cheeseburger. No, use their method. It's the principle. Let me explain to you, okay? Now listen, I'm not gonna ask you to click the link below to get more training. Don't you hate those videos? It's like, give me this training right here in the video. So me, as a multi-millionaire, I make millions of dollars online. I'm gonna give you the 3 tips to make the fastest amount of money as a newbie, as a beginner. If you know nothing, if you listen close to this video here for a second, I'm going to expose what other internet marketers want. 1, find a niche, okay? A niche is a category online that people use to make money, okay? Listen, write this down. It is 2 sites that you need to go to. Clickbank.com, that's 1, look at me. 2, Digistore24.com. These are affiliate platforms, okay? These are the most popular ones. I've made $30 million with Clickbank.com. I've made over $20 million with Digistore24. And I dropped out of school, and it's easy, okay? You got it? You got it? It's a niche. Number 2, when you go to the website, okay? Pay attention here. You only want to look and research products that already make money, okay? Don't find a product that doesn't make money. Well, that's stupidity, okay? And I know some of you are like, well, Wesley, I have my own ideas. I want to be innovative. Listen, you're not Elon Musk. Elon Musk made his money first, okay? Make your millions and billions of dollars first. So 2, find a product that already is making a ton of money on those platforms, okay? This is what I did to make 30 million. And as you can see, I'm living my dream. I'm not a rapper, I'm not an athlete, I'm an entrepreneur. Let's go. And number 3, pay attention, okay? And I'm explaining to you why I call this the McDonald's method here. It's very powerful here. Number 3 is this. When you find the product on those websites that are already making a ton of money, you're gonna model them, okay? You're gonna buy the product, and then you're gonna go to another website. See, I explained this in depth in the training. But I say, you know what? How about I just tell you in this video, so if you choose to click the button to get more training today, you can do that, but it's your choice. Number 3 is this. You go to Fiverr.com, you pay somebody $5, okay, to model the entire product. That means transcribe it, right? The video sales letter, transcribe it. I know you don't know what that means. In the training, I talk about what that is, okay? You wanna make sure that they transcribe the upsells, okay, the downsells. They want to transcribe the product itself. And then you take that product and you study as if you're studying for a test to get your doctorate, to get your degree, right? You're gonna study all night, you're gonna study for days. Listen, this is the same technique that I use to make $1 million online by modeling other people. Now, some of you, before you decide to get the training, you don't have to. Listen, you might say, well, that's plagiarism. You're copying. No. McDonald's, Burger King, they both sell burgers, don't they? They give you fries, tomatoes, right? Lettuce on your burger. So, but they're both billion-dollar companies. It's the same method. You go through the drive-thru, I want a burger, I want 2 burgers. It's the same meat, ladies and gentlemen, but they're billion-dollar companies. Bank of America, Chase, they both process money. As a matter of fact, they have your money, okay? So what I'm saying is this. If you want to be broke forever, keep trying to be innovative. If you want to make money fast on the internet, model other people following those 3 steps. Listen, right below is more training on how to do this. But I thought I'd give you more value because other internet marketers, they're not going to do a video like this. They're going to say, hey, before I give you the secrets, click the link. No, I'm going to tell you exactly. Listen, you can take this information right now and you can start making money online today if you listen. If you need more training, the training is available. And guess what? It's not me. It's a young lady that I met 2 years ago on Instagram. She reached out to me every day for 3 months. I ignored her. I gave her an opportunity. I trained her. She had no skills. She's a young lady from New York. She knew nothing about the internet, right? And now today she made over $600,000 in 4 months, period. And she's gonna teach you. And she's still a newbie. But she just bought a Maserati and a Birkin bag. I don't know what a Birkin bag is, but she's winning. Why? Because she paid attention in the training that was available for her. She's gonna mentor you, okay? So listen, if you want that training, you can get it. As a matter of fact, you can follow everything that you just heard in this video, take action on it, and you make money. I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, last thing. I'm sorry. Before you keep going, the last thing you gotta do, I'm gonna be honest. You have to take massive action. If you never take action, you'll never make any money in anything. That means that what you hear right now, you either do two things. You take massive action with the 3 steps, or you get to training to get more information so you make no mistakes. But it's up to you. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Later, folks. I gotta go.